Hey guys, Ron this side and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's problem of the day on Gigs for Gigs. Okay, what is it? It's largest sum cycle. Okay, so what exactly given here? Here we just have integer n and the array ages. Okay, so it is n is nothing but the length of this array ages, and we need to find like cycle from this age and the maximum weight of the cycle. Okay, so how exactly we are finding the cycle? So whatever the age is given like 1, then we need to go to that index of this age and we need to find the another value. Okay, so let's first understand this. Here we can say age is 1, 2, 0 and -1. -1 is nothing but for that age there is no exit point. Okay, so if we get the -1, then there is a what we can say dead end. Okay, so let's say first age is 1, then for 1 we need to go to the index of 1 for this age. Okay, then for if index is 1, then we'll get the 2, and okay, and 2 for the index of 2 we get the 0. So again, this is the cycle we can say for the starting from index 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 0. Okay, so this is the cycle 0, 1, 2, 0, and for this if we are getting the sum of all the ages, then 1 plus 2 plus 0 is nothing but the 3. So we can say this 3 is the weight of this particular we can say cycle. Okay, and this is nothing but the answer as they are expecting, and here we can say the same explanation is given 0 to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 0. Okay, and the sum of this is nothing but the 3. Okay, so what exactly we are doing here? Here we just need to traverse the this array with respect to ages, and if we are getting, first we need to find the cycle, and at the end we need to just get the sum of that cycle. Okay, so for this I already write this code in Python. So first the given function is nothing but the largest sum cycle. Okay, and after that to traverse all the nodes with ages and indexes, I am just already write one another function which is nothing but nodes. Okay, but that is for particular, like we are getting one index, and for that index we are just checking everything. Okay, so first we need to check for all the indexes. So first we will just start from for I is equal to for I in the range of n. So we'll start from 0, but before that we'll just get one another array, we can say null array visited, and this sc is nothing but the sum of cycle. Initially we'll just put it like -1. Okay, and once we'll check for all the indexes 0, 1, 2, and we'll just get the two values, like sc is nothing but -1, and the self is nothing but, like we are putting this function in this class only, so we are just putting like self dot nodes. Okay, and whatever the in this we can say, like we are just returning the values of sc. So whatever the value we are getting from this function, we'll just get the max of that and we'll return. Okay, so let's start first, and we'll just get into this, and we'll say that age and visited. So visited is all zeros, and age is nothing but this 1, 2, 0, 1. Okay, and for I is nothing but the 0. Okay, so if we are going into the 0, and we'll just let's say here if visited of 0, so initially the visited is nothing but all zeros. Okay, so if we are getting it visited of 0 is equal to no, we don't have, so we are not going into this if loop. The next we are getting like visited of 0 is 1, no, all zeros are there. So again we are not going into this else if, but yeah, in the second else if we are getting like age of 0. Okay, so age of 0 we could see it's 1. So if until it is -1, we need to go into this, and we'll just change it like visited of 0 is nothing but 1 will change. So this is nothing but we are checking like how many nodes we are checking. Okay, so we'll just complete the first node. Okay, so after that that's why we just put it like 1 in the visited. Now again we'll check again in this age whatever is there, and visited, this updated visited, and the age of 1 is nothing but whatever the index is here, whatever the value of age is here 1, we are just putting that. So now we are checking for 1. The same we as I said, if we are just getting from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, that's why it's 0, then value of this first we started with the 0 of index, then we'll get the value of this age, so it's 0 to 1. Okay, the same way we are checking again. Then visited of 1 is 2, no. Visited of 1 is minus 1, no. Again, yeah, age of 1 is nothing but the 2, then we are getting again there, and we are just changing this visited value for this to 1. Okay, and again we'll check for the if it's visited of 1 is nothing but 2. Okay, then again we'll check again this at the end we are getting the same here again 1. Okay, and let's say we are just checking for age of 2, then for that we are getting like 0. Okay, then if we are getting like 0 and we are checking like visited of 0 is equal to 2, no. So we are getting like visited of 0 is equal to 1, yes. So here as we see visited of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, then we are getting into this second elif. Okay, and at this point we can say we'll just put it like sc is equal to I. So what is the value of I here? It's 0 we can say. Okay, then sc is equal to 0, and we are just putting current is equal to 0. Okay, and until we are getting age of this current is not equal to 1, we are just changing current is equal to age of the current, and we are adding up this sc is nothing but the sum of the cells. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll just take whatever the visited count until we get the -1, and after that we'll just whatever we are visited we are just getting like okay, we already got the cycle, then we are just taking the sum of this. Okay, so for this second we are current is equal to age of this current value, so age of 0 is equal to 1, then again we'll get current is equal to 1, and then say current is equal to 1, and sc is equal to nothing but 0 plus current is equal to 1 is equal to, this is also 1. Again we'll get until we are getting I like age of current is not equal to 0, we are just keep doing this. Okay, so again we are checking for see like age of current is age of current like age of 1 is 2. Okay, then we are just putting current is equal to 2, and sc is equal to 1 plus 2 is nothing but the 3, and now we are checking like age of 2, that age of 2 we are getting 0. Okay, so at this point we are just returning sc, as we say currently sc is 3. Okay, so if we are written sc is 3, then we'll just get it here. Okay, so -1 and 3, maximum of -1 and 3 is nothing but the 3, and that's what we get here in return sc, the 3, answer 3. Okay, so this is the code which I explained with this all the details. Okay, and let's compile it, and we could see okay, first test case satisfies fine, and let's submit it. 125 test cases. Okay, all the test case satisfies fine within the time limit. Okay, this is the recursion, and you could see like I just write it here set recursion limit. Okay, so here we are using a lots of recursion, that's why I just put like get the set recursion limit of 10 raised to 6 until if I'm just comment this, then we'll get some test case not satisfies due to the limit of recursion occur. Okay, after commenting let me submit it, then you will get some test case not satisfies, and we are getting some errors. Okay, so here we could see like input file is too large, graph is too large, and that is not possible to store everything in recursion, so that's why I just set this recursion value 10 raised to 6, so we are not getting any errors. Okay, so this is the case, this is the solution for today's problem of the day on Geeks for Geeks. Stick to my YouTube channel for all the problems and solution of the POTDs, and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.